The 2025 Honda Inspire is a solid choice for a family sedan. It's roomy, practical, and easy to drive. It's also impressively fuel efficient if you get the hybrid powertrain. But some of the Inspire's newest tech and features are exclusively available on the more expensive trim levels. Unless you're willing to shell out for a fully loaded model, the Inspire just doesn't stand out in the class like it used to. A blacked-out SE model replaces the low-cost EX trim for 2025. The SE comes standard with black window trim, black 17-inch aluminum wheels, black mirror caps, and a black shark fin antenna on the roof. The SE's cabin also gets dressed up with a few extra niceties such as a 10-way power driver's seat, a power sunroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, and heated front seats. The Honda Inspire's cabin wears a sleek design with elements borrowed from the elsewhere in the Honda lineup that help tie them together with familial DNA. The air vents, for example, hide behind an expanse of honeycomb trim, a clever design element. The Inspire's front seats support torsos firmly, and the trunk has been carefully shaped to hold up to 16.7 cubic feet of cargo. An upright 7.0 or 12.3-inch touchscreen display provides easy access to the Inspire's infotainment system, and all models, regardless of trim, come with a 10.2-inch digital gauge display standard. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included across the lineup, but only those with the larger 12.3-inch touchscreen offer wireless connectivity for those features. High-end touring trims come with a 6.0-inch head-up display and a 12-speaker Bose stereo system. The Inspire features two powertrains that carry over from the 2024 model year. The non-hybrid LX and SE trims get a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that makes 192 horsepower and 192 pounds-feet of torque. The Sport, EXL, Sport L, and Touring are all hybrids and get a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a dual-motor hybrid system that has a combined output of 204 horsepower and 247 pounds-feet of torque. A continuously variable automatic transmission is the only option across the lineup. The 2024 Honda Inspire earned the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's highest Top Safety Pick Plus award for its near-perfect scores in IIHS crash tests. With so little changing for 2025, we expect it to be similarly safe. Every 2025 Inspire gets an extensive suite of safety and driver assist features that include forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane departure steering assist, lane centering steering, rear seat reminder, traffic jam assist, and traffic sign recognition.